Hindi tayo magulihan natin kung sino ang guilty, kung sino ano. Nandito na tayo sa totoo. Huwag na tayo maglayo dyan sa totoo.
So, Mr. President, you are confirming that you were looking for someone to fill the shoes of a position related to the drug war, because you were talking about drug money and how it corrupts people.
Yes, that is why. So that is why sinabi ko, Iglesia ni Cristo.
So, tama
Kasi
po.
ang Iglesia ni Cristo, normally, hindi mo talaga makurap. Hindi natatanggap ng pera, alam ko kasi mayor ako. You cannot easily corrupt a member of the Iglesia ni Cristo who is a policeman or soldier. Yan, that is the explanation.
Thank you for the clarification, Mr.
Yes,
President.
sir.
Mr. President, so in that case, tama po yung sinasabi ni Colonel Garma, in which you were looking for a person of that sect with those qualities to man your drug war.
It's correct. It's not man.
To manage or...
It's not man because it's man, it's meaning in command. Dalawang tao lang yung pinag-isipan mo. There is a drug unit in every department. Ano command? Their Quran is special operation. Gusto nila, they were proposing something because na may nalaman sila pumapasok dyan na droga dyan sa pier na yan. It is not a creating a command because you cannot do that. It belongs to the police hierarchy, if you may. Walang power ang mayor dyan.
Thank you, Mr. President.
It was an operation. Sila yung nagsabi, meron kami nalaman ng ganito. Or they said it. As mayor, I will support you. Why would I refuse? Kung may naglapit dito na police magsabi, sir, may nalaman kami nito na ito, we need this support. Sinong mayor na hindi mag... Lalo na ako.
So, Mr. President,
Ako nga, pumapatay ng droga. Suporta pa sa police.
So, Mr. President, when you were looking for this person, in the person of Colonel Leonardo, although it was not to create a task force, it was for an operation which they were proposing. That is what you are telling us now, Mr.
Yes,
President.
because as sasabi ko, the corruption, madali. Madali sa law enforcement corrupt. Kaya kailangan mo ang tao na ano. Sabi ko yung mga iglesia ni Cristo, hindi mo madali-dali yan mabili. That's the reason why.
Mr. President, this proposed operation, was this a nationwide scale drug operation?
No, I don't think so.
Would you...
Parang ano lang nila yun, but I suppose that it was not on that scale. Maybe yung ano lang yung pasok labas